Welcome back. Which of these is not an important component of initiation of parturition in humans? So parturition is the process of childbirth, release of prolactin, increase in estrogen progesterone ratio, synthesis of prostaglandins, and last one, release of oxytocin. So one by one we will look into the role of each and every hormone, and then I will tell you the right answer for this. So the first hormone, prolactin, mentioned in this question, it is secreted by pituitary gland, and the role of prolactin is to regulate growth of mammary glands. It also regulates formation of milk in them. So this particular hormone is not directly involved in parturition. Next one, estrogen. During parturition, estrogen promotes uterine contractions and cervical ripening. What is the meaning of ripening? Ripening simply means dilation, because the fetal head has to come out through the cervix, so it has to dilate, and it dilates up to 10 centimeters. So for this process, estrogen plays an important role. Progesterone, it is important because it prevents premature labor. Now in this question you can see this option, increase in the estrogen and progesterone ratio. Now because estrogen is playing such an important role of cervical dilation, estrogen is going to dominate. So next hormone is prostaglandin. This is also important in cervical ripening process. Then it also plays important role in rupturing the amniotic sac, and it also promotes uterine contractions. And last one, oxytocin. Of course, this is very important hormone. It plays an important role in the positive feedback. It enhances the strength of uterine contractions. So coming back to these options, estrogen is important, progesterone is important, prostaglandin is important, oxytocin is important. So the right answer for this question is release of prolactin.